Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 2 5G. Today I'll show you how to change battery sound. Firstly, download this app from Play Store. Now open it, tap plus, agree to terms, and choose mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. Now choose sound source.
Connected.
Name your function and give it description. Tap here to save your function. And your new battery sound is set. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.